This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clearing visual clutter. Make sure to back up your launcher settings first so you can revert. Next, remove or disable apps you don't use. Cut roughly half of your visible icons to create negative space. Once done, create compact folders with 3 to 6 related apps and short labels. This reduces cognitive load and speeds navigation. By starting with preparation and a focused cleanup, you'll set a foundation for layout choices that actually stick. You now choose a launcher that gives you control over grid size, gestures, and icon scaling. Adjust the grid to 4x5 or 5x5 depending on screen size for balance. Then add 1 or 2 widgets, think a calendar and a minimal clock, and resize them to create rhythm between icons and empty space. Make sure to apply an icon pack or adaptive icons so app shapes match. This consistency reduces visual noise and makes the home screen feel intentionally designed. You finish by choosing a minimal wallpaper that provides contrast without competing with icons. A subtle gradient or blurred photo works well. Then finalize placement. Put your 4 or 5 most used apps in the dock and reserve one primary screen for daily tasks. If widgets misbehave or icons overlap after changes, make sure to clear the launcher cache or reset layout. That usually restores alignment. And if something still breaks, revert to your backup. Then reapply small changes one at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.